Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So many of you guys asked me that, hey, we want to create predefined messages for the chatbot and to allow users to go through a set of predefined messages, and afterwards the chatbot should take over. So I added this feature today in Aimogen, which is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it. So you will be able to find this new feature in the AI chatbot menu of the plugin and go to Persona Selector tab. So this is the tab where you will be able to use AI initial messages settings field. So here, if you enter multiple things on multiple lines, then the chatbot will actually send these messages one by one. After each response from the client, the user, the next will come. So if you write only one line, the chatbot will write this line as default, as its first statement, as its first message. But if you enter here, hit a new line to write on a new line, and let's say, what is your name? What programming experience do you have, and do you like C++? Why do you want to learn a specific programming language? Okay, so we have these four messages, and after the AI sent these four messages, it will take over and it will reply on by itself. So let's save settings. Don't forget to save settings each time you modify something in the plugin settings. Afterwards, here is John, a programmer. Hi, what's your name? Hi, my name is Szabi. What programming experience do you have? So this is our first pre-programmed message. I like to code in PHP. Do you like C++? Not so much. I like PHP. Okay. Do you want to learn a specific programming language? Yes. Java. Okay, so let's go with Java. And here the chatbot took over, as you can see. So that's great. Java is a versatile, and it also saw and remembered everything that the user previously wrote, and so it continued the conversation basically. And if we ask what is my name, it should be able to know that your name is Szabi. Okay, so this is the latest feature of Aimogen. You will be able to use multiple messages, predefined messages in the chatbot, and it will tell users only these messages. If you have more ideas, suggestions for Aimogen, let me know in the comments. They are welcome. Thanks for watching. Until then, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. This is all for today. Bye bye.